Hello everyone, today I've got a game changer for you. Merging your old Fortnite account with a newer one. We're keeping those skins together, so stick around and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're on PC, mobile, or console, head to epicgames.com/self. Scroll down to contact us. Here, choose the platform of your old account, not the current one. Think of it as setting the stage for the merge. Click on Other for contact reason. Now, let's write the message. I've got a template in the description. For example, if you're moving from Nintendo Switch, mention that. Be clear about the help you need, and it's all about asking politely. Hit Submit an email request. Once you've filled in the details, you've officially sent your distress signal. Now it's a waiting game. When Epic Games responds, they'll guide you through the merging process. Be quick with your responses to keep the momentum going. Patience is crucial in this waiting game. If this tutorial has been your Fortnite lifeline, do me a solid. Drop a like, share it with your Fortnite squad, and if you're up for leveling up your game, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.